The use case manager is great in terms of MITRE support, or at least I should say it's great in showing all the support that Curator has for MITRE. You have filters that you can search from your rule for any one of tactic, or even go to the individual technique. And you can even search, once you have that criteria, you can even search on the App Exchange to see if there are any other MITRE rules that you may want to be leveraging in. In here you have all these different graphs that I have covered in separate videos that tells you a lot about it. But a friend of mine recently asked me, Jose, if I want to get additional data from this great app, but I want to create reports that are differently and they don't exactly match in here, like for example doing a pulse dashboard with the metrics that upper management requires me for MITRE coverage with Curator, how can I do that? And if you go into the admin tab in Curator, right, you should find here an icon for the use case manager app. And in here, when you click on that link, voila, you have the API calls to get all the information that it has, and even on the MITRE standpoint, but this is not just on MITRE, but also on the whole use case manager app. So I hope that this helps you if you want to write maybe a simple script that performs a call, or if you want to do it in Pulse, this is the ticket to do it. And if speaking of Pulse, if you want to make an API call from a Pulse dashboard, if I search here, and you should be familiar with this file that I publish on the public box folder, links is on the video of every description. Notice that in here I have even 3 videos, not just one, that show how to make API calls from Pulse. So you can create your own good looking dashboard with the specific information that you want to provide about MITRE or any coverage of the rules or any other stuff. I will soon be adding this video into this list of use case manager apps links.